Taking strict action in a family murder case in Madhya Pradesh where 5 people of one family have been brutally murdered. District administration took action against the main accused, Surendra Chauhan, and demolished his house and shops. The house of another accused, Vivek Tiwari, has also been demolished now. This is really being considered as a mass murder case because 5 family members have died, and what has happened is that the accused allegedly killed his lover and 4 other members of her family who were opposing his relationship with another woman. The accused, along with his associates, then dug a pit in his field and buried the bodies. The accused also tried to mislead police by the killers, trying to post images on social media sites, distracting them, and that through the deceased's ID, in a way claiming that she had got married according to her wishes and her 2 siblings, 2 cousins and her mother were with her and were safe.
जो इसके चिन्हित अपराधी हैं उनका जो भी संपत्तियां हैं कल उसमें उनको चिन्हित किया था। ये भी देखा गया कि निर्माण अवैध भी है और लगभग 4,500 स्क्वायर फीट में निर्मित है। पूरी पुलिस प्रशासन और नगर पालिका की टीम मिलकर के हम इसको ध्वस्त करेंगे। बड़ा स्पष्ट इससे मैसेज भी आता है कि अगर कोई इस तरह का अपराध करने का प्रयास करता है तो सरकार उसके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई करेगी।
सुरेंद्र राजपूत ने पूरे षड्यंत्र बनाकर इन 5 लोगों की अपने खेत में ले जाकर हत्या की और हत्या करके उनको अपने खेत में ही 12 के पीछे गाड़ दिया। और पुलिस ने इस दौरान अपने सारे एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किए हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किए हैं, पूछताछ की है और अब बिल्कुल 7 लोगों को पुलिस ने राउंड अप किया है।
Let's go across now to Bhopal. My colleague Heminder Sharma has been reporting on the same. Heminder, what a tragic case, but it's not just about the murder. It's also about how the bodies had been buried, how the case was tried to be misled. What precisely happened and when? Take us through the timeline.
Well, to start off, this case was cracked 48 days after this gruesome murder of 5 people was committed in Dewas. The main accused, Surendra Chauhan, his younger brother, and 5 others have been arrested by the police, but the arrest happened after 48 days, and during these 48 days, the main accused, he was seen hobnobbing with the local politician who also happens to be the BJP MLA from there. So the police action that has come today in the form of demolition of his properties is a sort of face-saving device, because there were allegations against the police that they have been siding with the accused. Now coming back to the case, a 21-year-old girl was in love with this. It was claimed that had a relationship with this, the main accused, Surendra Chauhan. He got engaged with someone else, and thereafter the victim, the girl who was killed, she posted something on Instagram, and thereafter she was called to this farmhouse of this accused, and there she was killed. The police is not yet confirming whether she was raped before she was killed or not, but a fact is that this particular lady, the 21-year-old victim, she was found from this pit, which was 10 feet deep. She was found without any clothes, and along with her there were 2 minor girls, one her younger sister and another her cousin. They were also found without clothes, but the police so far has said that they are looking into it. They are trying to get the postmortem report, and after forensic experts come up with their opinion, they would be able to say whether they were raped or not. But that rape case has still not been put over there, and politics is being played out in Dewas with tribal organizations and several SC/ST organizations coming out in the open saying that this is a form of caste violence. And this particular girl who was killed, it was not just her. Her mother was also killed. Her younger sister was also killed. Her minor cousin sister was also killed. Minor cousin brother were also killed. All of them were called to this farmhouse one by one and then dumped into that pit that had previously been dug, which was about 10 feet deep. And thereafter,
it's absolute horror with the details that you're telling us, Heminder. At least the case, it appears to have been solved, but whole family, they're vanishing literally while the accused tried to show they're still alive. Heminder, keep tracking. I'll come back to you shortly. This is a story that we will be tracking. It has shocked the country.